Introduce yourself.
Hey, I'm Naomi Diaz.
Hey, I'm Lisa Kainde, and we are
Ibeyi.
Hi guys, let's get ready together. We're actually quite excited. Woke up with a huge pimple in my head, of course, because when you do Vogue. Well, we always start with water. Normally, actually, we're lying to you. Normally, we start with ginger and lemon all the time.
Before playing, because we sing.
Yeah, we get ready before our shows together, always. So yeah, chin. I was thirsty. Okay.
First, we're gonna clean this face. I clean my face all the time.
I like.
Also, you might see we have some accent. We're French-Cuban, that's what.
And I live in London. Naomi lives in
Paris.
So she developed American/French accent, and I don't know why, but I sound British. Well, I mean, I know why. I live in England. We hydrate our skin
With some oil.
You put some oil, and I love Clarins too.
Never forget your neck.
We don't have the same
skin.
Yeah.
Lisa is really oily and mine is really
dry. Naomi's like a crocodile, and I'm literally like a crocodile.
Then I put Eyebrow Gel
By the way,
for my bags.
How weird are genes? Because we're twins. Even if like we're fraternal twins, we're not real twins. But what works for her not always works for me, and what works for me not always works for her. So we really had to like find our own tricks and our own way to like work with our face. Did you see those beautiful green eyes? Oh my god, I got robbed! For stage I use a lot of glitter. I realized I was closing my eyes a lot while performing and that people couldn't see my eyes, and even from far away they couldn't see my eyes because they're far away. And I realized that putting glitter on them would like make them see some light. I put like intense like glitter everywhere, and I put glitter in my hair, so I actually look like a disco ball.
We're gonna go with the only concealer because we don't use foundation. It's only concealer for the bags because we're tired.
And I actually don't own my own concealer. I always tell Naomi, which annoys her, but I'm gonna do it again.
I should put it here.
And you know it's going on the pimple. We've learned basically every trick I know about makeup is from photo shoots and makeup artists. I feel like with makeup sometimes when you don't know how to do it, you look the opposite of fierce. You just look like you're trying too much.
Then I'm gonna go with a little bit of contouring. I don't do like everybody. I'm just like doing like that, and I do like this. Woo! That's a lot.
And by the way, I'm always, it's funny, that's my French side and my Cuban side, because every time you do it, I'm like, you put too much.
No, I did put too much here. Now we're gonna do eyeliner.
I like when you do the cat eye, because I imagine Naomi being a panther, and so it's like... This, by the way, I love. It's an Urban Decay, it's called Space Cowboy, and makeup artist put it on me once and I absolutely loved it. It's not shimmery, actually, it's just glitter.
So I'm gonna do like this.
Oh, it's so nice. You want me to help you with that?
Yes, please.
A ver, mommy? Yes! Yes! You look so good! You look good. I like it.
Do I?
So for the eyes, I just put this glitter thing, and then I put mascara, which is the most important thing ever. This is from this brand that I actually love. It's called Dr. Hauschka. And it's
I'm
so
gonna
tiny.
borrow it.
Can you borrow it? I have long eyelashes. Mine always like get tangled. We always wore our hair different because they're so different. And some people think Naomi is like actually relaxing her hair, but no, that is her natural hair and that's my natural hair. It took me a long time to accept my hair, by the way, and our mother is wonderful, and one day she was like, we're gonna cut your hair in an afro and you're gonna learn to actually respect it and love it. And since then I've always worn it that way, and it's like my crown. I wear it proudly.
Then
Lips?
highlighter for me.
Okay. Naomi loves her highlight. When we go to the Chanel runways, Naomi always wears something stronger and more makeup, and I always try to to keep it low. But that's our personalities too, I feel.
You're gonna do lips, I'm gonna do eyebrows.
Okay, for you, we're gonna go for the red.
So I'm like brushing my eyebrows. This normally it's for lips. I take some and I... Rouge Coco Stylo.
We opened for the Chanel runway in Cuba and we loved the experience because we got to open with a Yoruba song, which is a traditional song from Cuba that came to Cuba with the slaves. And it was such a powerful thing to sing in Cuba and to sing something that is so Cuban with a house that is French and that we admired. It was such a beautiful gift from Carl.
Clarins, again, that's the best. It's Balm. I'm obsessed with Balm. I can't live without something with dry lips. I hate it.
I take this, what is this? How do you call that? Blush. And it's a white version of it. And I put it here. Ding. And then
like she had sunburn.
Like, yeah, like if I was sunburned. You take a cream, any cream truly, like...
She doesn't care.
I don't care. Oh, that smells good. Oh, that feels good too. She's doing it so much more gently than she does normally because she's on camera.
Good.
You.
This hair is crazy.
Then we put
some of our amazing...
Actually, I don't know. Oh wow. Actually, I don't know why I did that because I never put it here. I always put it behind the ears. So when people hug you, you never do that.
I do that every day.
You do?
Every day.
My dread is always behind my ears, and because I put perfume behind my ears, then it smells like my perfume. That's a really good trick. Then normally, we put a song. I like it like that.
You can't see us working, but we are. I think we look good.
This is our
Going out look. Hope you enjoyed it.
Hope you enjoy it.